everyone, my name is Anushka. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely great. So, as you have read by the title, we are going to be I'm going to be eating orange food for 24 hours. So, basically, whatever I'm going to eat from breakfast to dinner is going to be of the color orange. Also, I'm going to show you my day around, what my day looks like, and all of that good stuff. So, yeah, if that's something that interests you, then keep on watching. Alright, so it is breakfast time right now. It's 8:30. I just came back from jogging, and as if you guys know me, then you guys know that I love to eat fruits and coffee for my breakfast. Coffee to nahi ho payega for obvious reasons. But for my breakfast, I'm gonna be having the most orange thing in the entire world. The orange itself. So I'm gonna have these two oranges. इसको मैंने already छील लिया है. So yeah, also I'm not wearing anything orange because I have this preconceived notion in my mind that orange will not look good on me. Orange and yellow, I used to feel orange and yellow both will not look good on me. Although in lockdown I bought a top which is in the color yellow, and I kind of sort of like it. I don't know, so I might buy something in future which is orange in color, but that's beside the point. So yeah, I'm gonna have these oranges and then I'm gonna attend my online classes. After lunch though, I do not have any class. So let's see what I do at that time. And yeah, I'm gonna devour the oranges and then I'm gonna see you on the lunch time. Hi guys, so it is almost quarter to 2 and I have my lunch right here. This is Shezwan Anda fried rice. I made it abhi 5 minute pehle. I have given you a close up like just before this clip. So yeah, let's dig in. ऐसे वैसे इस पे मैंने एक ये गार्निश करने के लिए एक डाला है पत्ती जो मैं हटा दूंगी because मैं वैसे भी नहीं खाती. I just was having that for pictures. So now let's dig in. बहुत गर्म है. You can see इसमें से धुआं निकल रहा है. If you can see. It's too good. मस्त बना है. ये खाते खाते I'm gonna watch something on Netflix. Right now I'm watching Riverdale फिर से. If you guys have watched my Netflix favorite series, I'll link it in the description box below. Then you guys know that मैंने Riverdale आधा देखा था. So I'm watching that again. So yeah, I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna watch Riverdale and then we'll meet. Lunch is done and now I'm gonna write my assignment. Don't worry, मैंने टेबल पोंछ दिया है, so do not think कि मैं झूठे टेबल पे पढ़ रही हूँ. So because of all the shifting and then Diwali series and then Diwali itself, I literally got like kind of lost hold of my studies, which is not a good thing obviously. So I'm gonna sit and write my assignment. पहले ऐसा नहीं था कि मैं online class में पढ़ती ही थी, like not like that, but at least I knew what's going in the class and I knew कौन सा क्या पढ़ाई हो रहा है everything. Right now I have lost पूरा control of पढ़ाई, so I'm gonna sit and study थोड़ा, write my assignments, complete everything whichever is pending, and yeah, then I'm gonna see you later. it's 4 right now. I'm done with writing all of the assignments and now I'm thinking of shooting something because बाहर धूप आ गया है अच्छा खासा. बाहर तो शूट नहीं करूँगी मैं पर घर में भी आ रहा है. So I'm thinking of shooting for Instagram. Quite not sure what should I shoot though, but let's see. And if you don't follow me on my Instagram, link is in the description. Go follow me over there. And yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I'm done with shooting 2 videos, one for Instagram and one for my YouTube. It is a cooking video and it will be up either on Monday or on Friday. I have created a huge mess and I have made my dinner also. So I don't think I have enough time for evening snacks because it's already 8 in like 1 hour or so. I'll eat my dinner. So I'm gonna quickly see you when I'm having my dinner. This is the mess that I've made. I've spilled some soy sauce over there. Then I was shooting, so everything is there. That has my dinner. That thingy has my dinner, and this is the mess. Hi guys, so the dinner is served. I'm having pasta right here and it looks quite orange. Does it look orange on the camera? I don't know if it looks orange on the camera or not. Do tell me in the comment section below. And for sweet dish, like if you guys have watched What I Eat in a Day video, if you haven't, I'll link it in the description box below. Then you guys know that I like having something sweet after my dinner. So I have my bundi ka laddu. I do not think there is any other sweet which is orange. If it is, do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to enlighten myself. So yeah, that's gonna be dinner. And I literally have nothing to do right now because I am done with my assignments, done with editing. I do not have anything to do, so I'm gonna binge on something or talk to my parents and have a quality time and enjoy my dinner. So I guess that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below if you guys haven't already. This is my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram. Also, it will be linked in the description box below. And I'm gonna see you on Friday. No, on Monday. Sorry, this is Friday. The day you're watching this is Friday. So I'm gonna see you on Monday. Bye.